Good day, sir, madam. I'm Major Fernandez, 24 years old. I have 2 kids. I'm separated. And I'm an undergraduate of Hotel Restaurant Tourism Management. I work as a domestic helper for 2 years in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities includes taking care of kids, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, marketing. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Mayjoy. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Sir?
So, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Ma'am, sir, a domestic helper must be responsible, obedient, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, ma'am, I'll avoid my homesickness by keeping myself busy at work.
Okay, so Miss Joy, can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
Ma'am, sir, the proper way of taking care of the children is giving them good food, vitamins, giving them love as my own, giving them bath, and giving them food.
So, what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I'm going to say sorry and I'll promise not to do it again and I'll improve.
Any message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I really need this job for my family and for my future as well. Thank you, ma'am. I promise to finish my contract for 2 years.
Thank you, Miss Mayjoy, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.